Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set one-handed mode in your phone Vivo Y16. First, go to the settings of your phone here, and then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Then go to one-handed and turn on the button access mini screen using gesture. Okay, you can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen, then sliding out of the screen. Okay, sliding in then out. Okay, then it will be activated. See here, sliding in and out. See here, this is one-handed mode. Okay, this is right-handed mode. For left-handed mode, just you can move. Okay, you can move anywhere, and yes, for moving, click here and move. Okay, see here, click here and move. If you want to close this mini screen, just click on the close symbol and it will be closed. Okay, sliding inward and out. No, from the right side only it's working, I think. Yes, so in this way you can easily bring mini screen, and there will be this will be very comfortable for using with one hand only. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.